In primetime news tonight, no evidence. Bureau of Standards on investigations into claims of bad gas on the market. NWC to implement temporary measures to customers facing dry spell. And sewage water flowing into homes.
The water come over and it has stifled me.
The plight of residents living in Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Well, Janella, the executive director of the Economic Growth Council has a scathing criticism of farmers. What's that all about? I'll give you the details later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we join Jordan Fort at the sports desk.
Yeah, Archie, the Tivoli Gardens goalkeeper might be facing a lengthy sanction following a bust-up in their match against Mount Pleasant Football Academy at Draxall on Sunday. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you have any concerns about bridges in your neighborhood? If so, please state your concerns.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.
Hello, and